Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that these people are pathological liars. He's saying that they are coming out and eating of themselves over one woman. And this one woman he's referring to is Miss D. He's saying that Miss D is not even eating up herself over anything. She is just living her life. And these other followers, they're taking it to the next level and doing stuff without her even inserting herself into it. He's saying that if people don't see concrete evidence to say that this is the problem or this is the evidence, then they should not believe unless they're given the evidence. He's saying that people are just getting up and doing things over Miss D and not realizing that Miss D is just living her life. He's saying that she's allegedly in Canada right now with her son and she's just enjoying her life, taking flights, and that's what she's doing. So people need to stop doing what they're doing um and just calm down. So if you'd like to hear more of what Dwayne has to say, go ahead and watch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know. And for all the lovelies out there with birthdays today, have yourself a wonderful day. And I wish you joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity for the year. And to all my lovelies, new and old, have yourselves a beautiful day today.
Because I was not coming on my page and what didn't have concrete proof. Say, I saw you go, I saw you go, I saw you go. But now come out here. These people are not credible. None of them. They are all pathological liars. All of them. And them feel like them are win. Them feel like them is winning. And they don't realize it is only for a moment in time. Them backward and not none of them is not going to lead me or my little page astray. None of them. I've had to endure nonsense and toxicity for far too long with these people. So why do I continue on this cycle? Why am I going to continue on this train with them? Knowing damn well say, yo, that one I had, that one I had, the one of them I had. It don't make no sense. So no move. If they're not giving no concrete evidence, don't believe them. If they say, yo, see it here, and then don't tell anyone and say, yo, I'm going to go to the next one. Yo, see it here, and show the evidence. Why you not going to buy them foolishness? When I tell me, say, on the parents, on the not sense, on the absence, on the don't have sense. Which is it? Do you guys have sense? On the don't have sense? When you get jump on the head, that's Britney. On the parents, them jumping upon the head. I was deprived as young children. So anything the people are selling on us when, yeah, team and team, move. Don't you guys realize Donegal is not naming for herself? I the idiot them. I the half dead idiot them. I them and them themselves. Blind I lead blind, fool I lead fool. Idiot I lead idiot, idiot anything. I them I lead. Is Donegal out here eating for herself? No. So why every day them get up and name up themselves over one woman? One woman will live in a Jamaica. And the funniest part about this shit, the woman not fat pan them, she not fat pan none of them. She not fat. Why are they doing it? Views. Clout. The people them dividends. People them coins. And that them I do it for. They are a walking time bomb. Listen, whether they are a walking time bomb or not, I don't care. But what I'm gonna do, me now stop chat. Me now stop opening people's eyes. Who wanna listen, will listen. Who don't wanna listen, oh well, continue upon the path one of them pan. Continue on the path you're on. But I'm sure some are gonna listen to me and say, yo, I could look at myself in that time. We start looking at ourselves and start get up every damn day, so every day. And them up yourself. Over somebody with a fat pan way. The woman not fat pan, none of them. You know see what going on? That Canada, in that Canada right now, I live it up with the one son, with the last one son. That Canada, I live big. You don't see it? Where them there? What the one of them there? Where is the one of them? And the rest are half dead millions. Which part of them there? Pan social media and them up themselves and name up themselves over one woman where I travel all about left. I travel from pillar to post, from post to pillar to Warrior to Timbuktu. If I travel, and you know what Shadow? Yo! But that Canada are pushing their face on a move on a idiot, on a doctor, on a fool. The time the fun of sit on fire and name upon yourself over one woman while live her best life right now. Ono would have try live for the best life too. And that to the fiddle. I'm not talk to tell someone who say, yo, Lord God. You know, sounds much like why I talk the truth. I look like a dirty lean up why I talk the truth. I'm not tap chat. And if you wake up now and smell the roses, wake up! But now I can fight and class. Move! Go and class people for a picnic on a mama and on a pooper. On a mama, on a pooper, and on a picnic. Move! I don't get to beg God for one life. Go and beg God for a life. At that, if you do. Some of the unscrupulous planks. Some of the half-dead idiot planks. Go beg God for one life. I say, Father God, me a beg him. Father God, bless me with one life. Because my life's sad right now. It's sad. It's sadder than Bob Marley funeral. It's sad. Times 25 sad. What is wrong with Uno? Pop style Panama. Don't you see? Look, hold on there. I went down to go Panama. About 1 week and a half or 2 weeks now. I watched it. Wham! Yes, people I say, when I scroll off in foot, they going to say, Auntie, I travel. I say, me not travel. Me not travel. I want change God. On an idiot. On a dark, on a fool. Big man and woman up in the 50s and the prime when Uno should have life set. Uno should have life set. I don't care. Uno should have life set. Now for now 40 plus, going on 50. Someone who now 60. Someone who a Silver Fox. Someone who a Old Betty. I know Beatrice. I know Judith. Uno should have make on a life set long time. Uno should have make on a life set. Yo, you know, see, grandson or granddaughter, I say you're going to do it here and follow your grandmother or your mother footstep. You have to do like this and go and make a success of your life. And stop sitting up on social media and never put yourself over people who want to don't know. But no, you know what I do? You know, Mr. Wegwan, someone know? On a life, on not have nowhere going on in life. So what do? I try and make other people's life miserable too. Yes, all Betty them, all Betties. Them try to make other people's lives miserable because them know so them life done. Imagine big hardback man. What breed too much woman, and bring for much pitney. Can't do own one piss pot for pissing, not even one piss pot. Not even one pot for pissing at him one. But you want to come out every day, come drag people who have them little assets and them little pension and them little savings put on aside for a rainy day. Oh no want to cuss people who are trying to make life and I try put on one little something for rainy day. Oh, that work. You see, that's not no. I don't care. No. I jogged. No, I don't take too much hard drugs. That's why I don't like so sad. I don't care. No, a big man or woman. Them the only for ganja who not born. the whole heap of ganja, the whole heap of this one I take and this to the third. It a frig up on the brain cells. When I see it, someone probably take a coke and I try to other people like miserable because I don't want cokehead, I don't want junkie, I don't want ganja head, I don't want rum head, I don't all kind of head that is no. Move. Leave God pick them alone and move. We not look pan Uno. We don't care about that Uno. Listen, I got never put myself till on the tongue turn blue. I wanna get gaita. You understand? You understand? That is out there. That killer right now live our bestest life. Our bestest life. And they all fart them. They all tete them. They sit on fire and name themselves over Dana. Well, yeah, I'm sure all Dana don't care. Dana don't care about you know. Dana fly out. I don't tell him nothing. Move if you didn't care. And I say, yo, hey, you know, something I care. And I tell none of you know, I eat it, you know, half the idiot. You just sit half the idiot. You know, big hard back man and woman. What do they call him? Big grey back. Big grey back man and woman. And that's why I say, if you put in shit in people on near me, cause I show. If you put in shit, if you put in dude in people on near me for show, cause on near me anything, move, no idiot. Watch that. The people are going to answer, I understand near me, so yes, a crack critique, yes, a T-dog, yes. What they call Curly, they have a name for Curly. Hold on, let's try my name. What they call Curly? They have a name for Curly. They have a name for Curly. They have a name. Not Kaka, one next one. And call one next one. So, yes, a Cyclops. That's what you idiot them. Imagine. I'm telling you people, on the door have nothing to live for. And I'm telling you, all 5 years time from now, if them people are still about, if them people are still about, on the mark my word, if 5 years time from now, them people are still about, on still have this head conversation. Me nah ask. Cyclops, T-dog, this T-dog, that. Cracker teeth, this cracker teeth, that. Baby germs. On still have goddamn this head conversation. We're not gonna have the same conversation. Me not ask me to tell cause Uno is a set of idiot. And Uno kind of people is easily led. And Uno know so on life sad. So no one drag down other people with Uno no move. Someone no soon dead. Someone no some old fat. Someone no some old fat. Some old tete. Some old coon. Some old coot. Some old Jezebel who should have make life and I relax right now. And I was say, yeah, look for my thing, you know, me a go on now. Me do this now, me do this, me. Mom! On all fat. Nothing don't even want pad for pissing now. I'm telling the truth, I don't have one pad for pissing now. Nothing a catch a people yard. Big hard back man and woman a catch a people yard. I want to come back and cuss people. And I'm not cursing for nobody, I'm telling the truth. I'm telling all of you the truth. And the truth will always be an offense. I mean, it's me a bother no. Whether I don't want to acknowledge that, me a bother no. On a move. My part, my throat, well on there. Okay. Alright. Uno a idiot. Uno is a set of idiot. And this does not go for the good ones them who is not coming out at daytime, but you know I can class people and tear on people because I'm no auntie. I mean not not fun because I'm no auntie. At all. Uno is what we call Uno are the real Cyclops. Uno are the real Cyclops. Uno is what we call Obanji pickings. Obanjis is devil pickings. Uno are devils and demons and parasites and ticks. Go and give a life to God. Go and give a life to God and stop coming out here at the time but not can draw people that the woman they want to move. Or they don't see she that can live her best life. Anyways, I can move from that. What me say me chat about again? Dana Urian. Alright, make up on Dana Urian. Make up on Dana Urian. Dana Urian, you come here. You come here, Dana Urian. Alright. What you eat at them? Then come here, come pack up, you know. Then come here, come pack up. Then now come in, then just sit down there. Then just sit down like some damn parasite. And if you come off, the man, come off. Anyway, let us talk about Donna and Urian. My number one, my first topic of conversation. Understand? Yes, darlings. We're gonna talk about them. We have to talk about them. Cause you know what, I know the thing. Me chat everybody and I don't care who me I chat out them backside. Yeah, come chat. Alright. Anyways, Father God, bless the little people my way, God, and show them the way, Lord. Show them the way. Show them, give them clarity and give them a clear vision, right, and a clear path so them can find peace in themselves. Because nothing more way, Lord. There is demon spirit, Lord, and them up to them feelings because they feel like, say, and them anti alone for go up and go up and go up. And nobody can chat her. Because when we chat her, God, they want to come class. So, darling, on a better class. Because I don't care. I come chat everybody. On if it's come off here. What if it come off? What if it come off? Come off. Because when on the past side, when the past side, and the people in my class, and the people them on a trend for them. But the people like me who speak so nice about them sometimes and class with another time sometimes. Like not in a long time, no. My class people them. I mean